This morning I tried out a new recipe for soft, fluffy homemade pancakes. This particular recipe is from thekitchen.com, KITCHN.com. My kids already gave it a 2 thumbs up. I haven't tried it yet, but I do see that they fry up super fluffy. They're very soft. I added blueberries from our garden that we picked. And they are super simple to whip up. The recipe includes 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 1/3 cups of milk. I used whole milk, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of oil. I used canola oil. Basically, you just mix that all together to get a batter that looks like this, and you bake them up or fry them up. There you go. What do you think? I also want to add that when I am cooking them, I do have them covered. I don't know if it really makes that much of a difference, but I like to do this. Also, I have my pancakes going into a pot here that I'm keeping on the warm setting. I have a warm setting here. If you have a warm setting on your oven, it could probably work as well. I have just found that sometimes when you are making pancakes of this size, sometimes they get pretty golden on both sides, but then they might be a little gooey inside. And just to keep them maybe cooking or just warm, and if you actually look at this, I just took it off. It looks like it's pretty well cooked thoroughly. So maybe this is just this type of recipe that just bakes them up really well, or maybe it's because I have the lid on top of my pan and it kind of creates the steam and cooks them even better. But there's a little tip for you. I hope you enjoy this video and my interesting little way of making these pancakes. Let me know what your little tips and tricks are to make homemade pancakes just like you would get at a diner without the fancy equipment. I think it really does come down to a recipe. I don't think that you have to have some kind of special equipment to make them.